Hello friends, my name is Rajesh and I am founder of InfiniOpus. InfiniOpus is a wealth tech company offering digital solution for asset managers and financial intermediaries. We offer cost-effective cutting-edge technology solutions for automatic data capture and transformation, process automation and agency management, and data visualization and customer engagement. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our flagship product Conjurer. Conjurer offers tool to analyze large volume of data on real-time basis to get meaningful insights and predictions. So let's begin. This is our landing screen where you can go ahead and upload your statements or add different sources from where you can fetch data on a real-time basis. So I'm going to first start with uploading of a statement. To begin with, I'll go ahead and upload a bank statement and we'll take things forward from there. We are going to use the information in our Conjurer visualizer. So that's why I'm using use in Conjurer, and now we go ahead and start the upload. So you can see Conjurer engine, intelligent engine has gone ahead and extracted all the data that was there in the statement. It has gone ahead and classified all the data. It has added categories of the transaction that has happened. And this is the review screen where if you're not happy with the data that has been extracted by the Conjurer engine, you can go ahead and override the values here. And once you're satisfied with the accuracy of the information extracted by Conjurer engine, you can go ahead and confirm. This will commit the data to the database. So the data is now available in Conjurer database, and you can go ahead and see it in our dashboard. This gives a summarized information of the information that has been extracted from the statement, and this is where you can go ahead and see the transactions. Now, as you can see, there are no graphs are showing here because this is an old statement. So let me just go ahead and make some changes to the dates here. And let me just go ahead and make a couple of more changes for the date. This is an uncategorized transaction, which means the engine wasn't able to understand which merchant was the one where the money was spent. So we go ahead and manually overwrite whatever categories the engine has provided us, and the moment we do this thing, we start seeing the expenses that were made during the month, and it gets categorized automatically. It starts kind of showing up properly here. We go to the budget page. There we have set a budget in a category for which we haven't seen any expense in the current month. So we'll just go ahead and create a budget in, say, food and dining category. Go ahead and set up a budget for $100 every month. Add a budget, and the moment we add a budget, we start seeing the money that was spent in this particular category. We go ahead and see there was a budget created for $100. These are the money that were spent in this particular category for the given month. The total spend amount, what is the remaining amount, and now I'll take you through upload of an investment statement. So I go ahead, I choose a institution, I choose a statement, I choose institution. Again, I intend to use this information in Conjurer, so I choose use in Conjurer and I start the upload process. The run is complete, the information is available here. We go ahead and review the information. We can choose to skip this step and we confirm and commit the information. And here, we have got category wise all our assets showing up here. We can see the holding statement here. We can go ahead and look at the transaction. So given this statement didn't had any transactions, so we don't see anything here. We go ahead and see the investments here. We'll go ahead and upload one more statement. Let's look at Credit Suisse. Again, we are going to use it in Conjurer. We go ahead and upload the statement. The run is complete now. This time we are not going to review. We'll just go ahead and accept everything. Confirm. Now we can see two different accounts. We go and check Credit Suisse assets. As you can see, all this thing has been extracted on a real-time basis in just a few seconds. We go ahead and check out the transaction. Again, this statement didn't have any transactions. We'll go ahead and upload one more statement which probably would have some transactions. So let's go ahead and upload a third statement. So as you can see, the data extraction is complete now. We'll go ahead and confirm the information. So given couch statement had two different accounts, so we see two different entries for couch. Here are different asset that were there in the couch statement. We can go ahead and check out. These are different assets showing up in the statement. There were transactions in the statement as well. So these are the transactions that were showing up in the couch statement and they are picked up here. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and see analytics around the holdings that we have. We can go ahead and draw some pie charts as well. Let's go ahead and start drawing some pie charts. So these are the count of the transactions. Let's go ahead and do a sum over the values that are showing up in different account. Let's go ahead and look at different view of this. So account wise, currency wise, we can go ahead and create a bar chart for this one. So this is the bar chart that got created currency wise, account wise. Maybe we can go ahead and create a stacked bar chart for this one. So this is a stacked bar chart that got created, and as you can see, it's lightning fast. Now going back to the pivot table, we can have these currency wise, institution wise breakup of this information all on a real-time basis. Now so far what we have done is all the information that was getting extracted from different statements, we were using it in the Conjurer engine and visualizers. Now I'll show you how we can go ahead and upload this without using it on Conjurer. So as you can see, we go to the file batch repository. We do not see any statement here. I'll come back to this scam statement later on. We go ahead and upload UBS statement once again. In this time, instead of using it in Conjurer, we'll go ahead and generate output. We'll get an output, say in Advent format. Go ahead and upload the statement. Again, we have got an option to go ahead and make any amendments here, or we can choose to commit everything, and then we have got an option to go ahead and make amendments later on as well. So now we are on repository. So as we saw earlier, we just saw details of CAM statement, but now we can see UBS as well. We can go in UBS and we can see the details that were available in the statement. So let's go ahead and see the positions that were showing up in the statement. So this is XML format in a specific template. The information was extracted and it has been translated into this format now. I can go ahead and select any item here, and I can go ahead and make any changes over here. So let's go ahead and make change to the date here. So let's make it 2018. Okay, go ahead and save. Saved successfully. As you can see, this value has updated here. You can go ahead and make any changes anywhere, and once you are happy with whatever is showing up in the statement, you can go ahead and download this. And this is the XML file that has been extracted out of this. You can go ahead and upload this XML file wherever you feel like. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you was this CAM statement. So this was a very big statement. That's why we are not giving you a live demo of this one. Just to give you an idea, we uploaded a 200-page statement, and in a few minutes, this is what we got from the statement. So I'm just downloading the output from this upload. So this is the output that we got from uploading a 200-page statement. There are close to 7,000 line items here. As you can see, there are some 7,100 line item, and in a few minutes time, we were able to extract and standardize all the information that was there in the statement. Once you go ahead and delete a statement from here, so as you can see, there's no UBS here. I'll just go ahead and delete one by one all the accounts that were added. So let me just go ahead and delete Canon TD as well. And as you can see, everything has been deleted. Everything has been wiped clean from the database. There's no credit card details available on our platform now. In investment, as you can see, I have deleted everything related with UBS. Just one thing that I wanted to show you, if you want to make any changes that you weren't able to make on the review screen, you can go ahead and make the changes here if you want, and you can commit it and everything gets saved in the database. So what I'll do is, one more time, I'll just go ahead and delete this, and as you can see, everything has been cleaned, wiped clean from our database. We do not store any information if you do not want us to store it. Statement repository, as you can see, everything is clean here. File repository, this UBS was where instead of using it in Conjurer, we decided to get an extract of the UBS statement. So I go ahead and delete it from here. I go ahead and delete CAMS also from here. And now InfiniOpus does not hold any information whatsoever that you had uploaded on InfiniOpus. So everything has been wiped clean from our database. There's nothing. These are the budgets. I can go ahead and delete these budgets as well. So I can go ahead and delete everything. And now we do not have anything that you had ever shared with us. So that's all from my side. We would be happy to take any questions. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.